let me just show the presentation of Vivek Kushwaha, our entrepreneur. He would speak on that. Since he could not get the network done, his pictures we are making it. This is his farm. You want any comment? Later you can do it, so that while I'll finish out the pictorial journey, so that you can show that. These are the duck eggs in his unit. This is his incubator. These are the ducklings of beautiful Pekin coming out of the shell, and nice, Pekin catwalk, Pekin duckling catwalk. You can see so beautiful ducklings.
I think we did. Yeah.
Yeah, you can see the ducklings and the brooding, wonderful ducklings of his own farm. These are the adult Pekin ducks, and this is the beautiful white. It is fit for a little or a surf advertisement, so you can show that how beautiful white Pekin ducks are. And this is their farm. This is the ducks calling you, please welcome, quack quack. They're all welcoming you. And this is the top view of Vivek's farm, and you can see the feeding. And this is the Indian runner, probably, or goose.
This is goose. He's a duck. It's like a guard to them.
Yeah. And these are the turkeys in his unit. These are the quails. This is another quail. And this is beautiful guinea fowls with them. You can see the helmets and the wattles as described by Dr. Swine. And this is the beautiful pond. Any comments on this, Vivek? What is this pond?
Fish farming experiment directly.
Okay.
Nothing goes waste in my farm. All the waste goes to the pond. The fishes eat it. Then the water is pumped to the plants. They get the manure. So the ecology is balanced.
Good. So this is any comments on this slide?
Safe food campaign for WHO. I was the face of India.
This is the award, Vivek Kushwaha.
The Honorable Prime Minister, our Industry and Agriculture Minister, then the NPC Award Committee member. Sir, one more thing. If somebody breaks my record, another prize from me. I was the youngest recipient of this award.
Very good. So many congratulations. So
Thank
now
you,
I will hand over to you.
Yeah. So sir, I'm not very formal because I'm the only person who's got no doctorate. I see all the doctors coming here, but I love reading. Okay. So let's start. Let's get started. If we can dream it, we can do it. And who says this is unconventional and all that? With the people like you and support group like these scientists, it's a cakewalk. Had you been there in this business 35 years back, then it was difficult. I had to fend for myself, for the breed, for feed, for everything. Now you have Dr. Mahesh. You've got his team. And anybody wants to start duck farming, I just need your commitment and passion, and you can do it. If you can dream it, you can do it. Now let's get started with the story of a young boy, because it'll be too much of I, me, and myself. So that young boy is Vivek Kushwaha. So he started his journey in a regular way, coming from a service class family. My father was an IIT, studied in KB, IIT, JNU, and MR. And I'm blessed to be there because I had a wide exposure there. And that built something inside me. And then moving on, I went on to do the graduation with the single aim of becoming an army officer, being a Rajput and coming from officer's family. So that was the natural progression. At the end of there was a time when there was a point I had to decide. In college, I was working as a passion for poultry. I was earning enough. I know I was earning enough to support a family, but I lived a good life. And by the time the college ended, I asked my father, Dad, I'll be an army officer, but I'll be more happy doing something which nobody's doing. Do I have your permission? And he gave me his permission. That's the biggest gift I got. So I said, now I don't need money. Let me prove it to myself that I can do it. So, buddies, if you don't have money, you can still do it. I've done it. Why can't you? I started without money, not a single money in my pocket, a very big dream and a lot of passion to achieve that dream. And if I can do it, you can do it better because you have better infrastructure now. And why? Come on, one simple thing. Do we want to buy ducks from China anymore? No. At least I won't. That's why, sir, I requested you to get it from England. Anyway, politically getting incorrect. That's my. Coming back, we need a good gene pool. And Dr. Abhijit, you gave us such a vivid picture of the entire thing. I'm so happy. Now I'm coming to the practical side of it, where I specialize in. So I don't wait for the ideal conditions. They will never be ideal. If you have decided, made up your mind that you want to do duck farming, come on, think clear and jump. You will make mistake, you learn from your mistake and move on. The worst problem with the farmers, they overthink, they plan, they overplan. You can't overplan things. You have to take one thing at a time. You cross the bridge when you come over it. So if you have decided to swim, jump in the pool. Of course, jump on the shallow side. Don't jump in the deep. So when you start a business, invest small so that even if you unlikelihood that you lose, you can regain. But my philosophy has changed. When I see poor is a very bad word. I mean needy farmers and backyard farmers. I said, don't do anything. Make some space available there. Use your parts, the resources you have, and start. You don't need money. You need only ideas. Common sense, which is very uncommon these days. Okay, just a common sense. We have the scientists to give us guidelines. We have the doctors like you to give us feed formulations. We have everything ready. So what do we need money for? And you have the policy to giving 50 birds. If you get 50 birds, you can create a farm of 50,000 birds 10 years down the line. So stop excuses. The procrastination is the biggest killer of the dreams. Once you make up mind, action is call of the day. And action kills anxiety. Simple. Dale Carnegie, quote unquote. Okay. So, um, like, sir, I'll come back to my hero, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. I worship him. So does my son. He went on to meet him, and I did Dr. Mahesh too. Why? He's such a simple man. Do read his biography. Do read Wings on Fire. If this man from that village selling newspaper can go on to do the nuclear test and went on to the highest office in the country to be the president of India, what is stopping you? It's your own mind. There's nothing worse than your own mind to stop you. If you think I can't do it, you'll never be able to do it. At least think big. Aim for the star. If you don't get it, at least you'll end up in the moon. If you have very small dreams, what are you working for? And for the young farmers, I'm there. And anybody with a passion can approach Dr. Mahesh, and 3 people selected by him will be trained by me. And I'll live to grow. And that's what I want to leave behind. Um, and you see, I'm giving a very informal kind of inspiration because
Vivek,
people have read about me. Yes, sir.
you can explain your activities, how many ducks you are maintaining, how you are maintaining, and other.
Okay, how I started. Well, let's come back to the production of ducks. When I started the production, I had no ducks, and I approached Dr. Bulbule. Then in 1989, they had only Khaki Campbell, and I wanted meat variety. So I approached the Ministry of Agriculture. They said, yes, we can get it from Vietnam, and we are under negotiation. VAC, the one you have right now. So the passion drove me to that level. I went on to contact Cherry Valley Farms. I was the first one to receive CVSM 1. Now we have CVSM 3. And I got it before the government of India because of red tapism. They had to give buffaloes to get this breed which you have, and buffaloes from Haryana. So anyway, let's move on. So we have the breed. Now I had expert doctors at CPD always. They have been always a savior. They gave me the technical backup on what to feed, how to feed, and management, your scientists are par excellence. I didn't have to put too much of brain into it. Of course, the common sense had to be used. So the journey started very easy. If you want to start duck farm, go to Dr. Mahesh, take some training and get on with the work. He'll give you feed, he'll formula, he'll give you checks, he'll give you guidance. What else do you need? And this is the best time. In the time of COVID, have 100 ducklings at the backyard. And चराते हुए चले जाओ खेत में, शाम को लेके आ जाओ, give them some grains and you'll be happy. You'll be laying eggs for you. So you eat good protein and you sell it. And when you need more money after 2 years, you sell the meat. And I mean, by 2 years, the laying goes down. So in between also, you can select the birds which are not laying eggs and then sell them for meat. So this is what the basic thing would be. But when you want to go the next level, you can have your own breeding stock. But I would not suggest you, since we have a backup of CPDO. So next progression would be, from backyard farming, you can have a regular farm where you'll be buying chicks from CPDO on a regular basis. Then gradually take it from there, build your own clientele. You don't need to go to five-star hotels like me, because that was a time, you have to be very technical. Later on, you can. And in South India, I can see there's a lot of market. Keralites, they love duck. Simple. I have supplied from Delhi to Kerala. Can you understand? Going by there, all the fare paid by the client. So make a good quality product first, because quality is, I mean, money is given and forgotten, but quality is remembered forever. So quality, number one. Now we are moving towards more organic. So try to make it more organic. I'm not saying go 100 way, because you'll have to learn a lot about it. At least try some, make a step towards organic farming. And if you do it in a backyard, it's already organic, 90%. So going to the next level. Now you have ducklings from CPDO, you know how to brood them, how to raise them. The biggest challenge comes is marketing. It's been there always. The middleman eats all the profit, be it vegetable, fruit, grains, or birds. So now the challenge in unconventional poultry comes in. The biggest challenge is being the market. How to market your product. Some states are fortunate. They have people who eat duck eggs. You go to Bengal, they eat duck eggs. You don't need to advertise them, they'll buy it. If I try to sell duck egg in Delhi, it'll be a momentous task. I would rather donate it to poor people than sell it. Just kidding. We sell very limited quantity for the deserving few. And but you have to understand the socio-economic strata where you are staying. If you are staying in Bengal, egg production, definitely the day you produce egg, it's sold much higher than the chicken price. But one bill does not fit all. If you're doing the same place in Delhi, you won't sell the eggs. But in Delhi, if you're doing meat, it will sell. So it's the same duck. So we need a bigger gene pool, Dr. Saab. That's why I'm requesting a broiler duck, and you can do it. And Dr. Abhijit has given us such a good gene pool. Maybe we can mix and match and get some hybrids. And these local hybrids would be best suited for the backyard farmers. No doubt, no questions. And immunity will be much better. We hardly need any vaccination for ducks, unless you have a lot of duck farms like in Kerala. They have a lot of episodes of duck cholera. I only faced one problem, biggest challenge I would like you to investigate before it happens. It happened due to a bacteria called Galibacterium annatus. Oh my God, one of the farmers I was guiding through every day, ducks were dying. We were giving them symptomatic treatment. I approached all doctors and finally, cut it short. Dr. Bhojraj, the chief scientist as IBRI Bareilly, he found out. And sir, the medication was so simple. Doxycycline. Good old doxycycline. And it cured. So the knowledge is the key. Now at least we are blessed to have people like you. And Dr. Bhojraj since then has been in touch with me, and I'm still blessed. So I share something about humans also, and if you need, I can select some things and WhatsApp it to you. And he's a very nice people. And so Gallibacterium annuitis, please do the homework. If it attacks, it is very hard to detect. And the mortality is like in the morning, the birds are standing, and in the evening, phew. So in emergency treatment, your gram-negative antibiotic work, but the effect wears off in like 24 hours. Enough about this technical part, you'll see. So, my friends, the young entrepreneurs, what is stopping you? Let's get started. And Dr. Mahesh can always give you a good discount on the ducklings. And if you have a small quantity, you'll get it for free. So, what is stopping you from being unconventional farmer, so-called unconventional farmer? We are going to do it. This is the new generation of India. We're going to beat China hands down, sir. Whether on border or on the home front, we will. And tell you one more thing about why China use so much duck. In India, tandoori chicken and dal makhni is the in thing. You can't have a restaurant running in northern India without these two dishes. When I went to China to study about ducks, and I got inside it for the secrets, even bribing them in form. So one thing struck me when I went to the silk market. China kept silk secret for a long time. And the China ball, Peking duck. So when I went to the Chinese market to buy the stuff, there were three things written on the polythene: climb Great Wall, shop at Silk Market, and eat roast duck. These are the three benchmarks. I mean, duck is a celebration food in China. And like Dr. Abhishek showed us a very wonderful duck where you fill in the air. That's the duck being produced by me. I'm the only person in India who produces that duck. I'm the only vendor in the world who was sponsored by Hayat International Chain to be trained to produce the authentic duck, clean it the authentic way. So Hyatt chains all across the country, they buy these ducks. Even Hyatt Mumbai, they get it by air fresh because this has to go full with the head, feet, and everything. No cuts on the body. Even get cutting techniques I had to learn, and I did it myself. Come on, if you want to be a CEO, first be a good worker. That will come later on. Everybody wants to be moving in big cars. Huh? Okay, earn it and move in that car. But first, if you can't do it with your hands, you are not an entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is a master key. He fits in everywhere. I'm a good driver. I'm a good, I can pick up the manure. And once I start doing it, my labor in double Josh. Sir, allow us. So sometimes you have to lead from the front. Otherwise, don't be an entrepreneur. Go and work for somebody. You'll do justice to yourself and to that person. Entrepreneurs are daring, they are enterprising. That's why they're called entrepreneurs. And we have to break the mold. We have the power to change. I still have the time.
I think one more minute. No problem.
Okay. So, any questions?
Thank you so much, Vivek. You are, I would say, lion-hearted and more of an Indian mascot lion, like, in the energy of duck farming. And
I'm
it's
honored,
a
sir.
question because you said you started with no money. So
Yes.
for the entrepreneur's sake, you can tell what is the turnover now. What is
Oh, why not, sir? It's an open book. Must be. Digvijay, what is the turnover now? 5.5, sir. It's COVID times.
5.5 crores?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, that's what I'm
I'm
saying to
making
the
enough
audience.
money to make a living. दाल रोटी भी चल रही है. कभी-कभी स्कॉच विस्की भी. Yeah.
ना लोगों को मन में क्या रहता है, आप शुरू किया जीरो से, अभी किधर पहुंच गया with the next generation also. and you can show now Digvijay also.
Nutrition is very
Come out with
efficient.
a startup,
Yeah.
and you can show Digvijay also in the screen so that
Yeah.
people can see Digvijay and Vivek. Many congratulations for both of you.
Sir, you are inspiration for Digvijay. He gets impressed with very few people, and you are one of them.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
So very nice of you to take in time. Be with us now. We will have a
I'll be here, sir. Sure. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah.
Good af-
Thank you so much, Rajesh, joining from this thing. Let me introduce Rajesh. They are
from-
also a good friend of us, like, Suresh, Rajesh, Satish.
You
Yes, sir.
you already know my brother name also.
Yeah.
You
Everybody
know.
is a good friend of us. And Suresh,
Okay.
Rajesh, Satish,
Yeah, my brother, sir. My
Ah.
brother. Suresh is elder brother.
Yeah.
Satish.
Suresh is a good close friend of us because he has come here, Dr. Prabhakaran, many times to my institute.
Okay.
That's how we
Thank-
know. And now all over to you. You can start telling about your
I'm
story.
speak in Tamil, okay?
No
I
problem.
would love to.
We will translate.
Anything.
Okay.
I listen from the heart, sir. Yeah.
Okay. I'm
I will-
start.
Yeah.
My father starting 1986 in layer farm. But 99 2000 starting in Japanese coil. Small starting 5,000 coil starting. Still now per month 10 lakhs coils this month per month. But basically main business in Kerala nearby Kerala. Good sales. நல்லா கேரளா நல்லா பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம்.
Kada, you call
உங்களுக்கு தமிழ் தெரியும் சார் மகேஷ் சார் தமிழ்?
No problem. தமிழ்ல பேசணும்.
ஓகே சரி.
அப்புறம்
Sir,
நான்
we
இங்கிலீஷ்
call it
சொல்லுங்க.
Kada and Kada there. The coil.
காடா. Yes, காடா. தமிழ் name is காடா விவேக்.
I know little bit, yeah.
2011 some issue. Prabhakar doctor and CPTO support in go to parliament. 2013 lot of work SRS Japanese in Wildlife Act 1972. Support in CPTO Chandigarh. Dr. Ravi Kumar and Ganesh support in papers. Quail is a good business. Suppose sometimes mycoplasma issue in our farming, lot of issue. அக்டோபர் நவம்பர்ல மட்டும் இந்த இஷ்யூ வருதுங்க. ஒரு டிசீஸ் கோயில்ல வந்து அக்டோபர் நவம்பர்ல மட்டும் இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கு. எவ்ரி இயர் அந்த இஷ்யூ வருது. பட் அதே மாதிரி பவுல் காலரா டிசீஸ் இருக்கு எங்களுக்கு. பிரீடர்ல வந்து எவ்ரி இயர் வந்து அக்டோபர் நவம்பர்ல எங்களுக்கு ஒரு பெரிய இஷ்யூ இருக்கு. நாங்க அடுத்த லெவலுக்கு நெக்ஸ்ட் லெவலுக்கு போக முடியல.
நீங்களுக்கு முன்னாலே நீங்க எஸ்ஆர்எஸ் ஸ்டோரி சொல்லுங்க. எப்ப எஸ்ஆர்எஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆச்சு, எப்படி
2000ல ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணேங்க சார். 2000ல
எத்தனை கோயில்ஸ்?
5000 ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பேசிக் 5000 ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுங்க. அப்புறம் அப்படியே கிராஜுவலா இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணி எவ்ரி இயர் இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணி இப்போ மந்த்லி ஒரு 10 lakhs கோயில்ஸ் இப்போ ப்ரொடக்ஷன் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். வந்து இப்ப நீங்க சொன்னீங்க, சார் சொன்னாங்க, நாங்க வந்து இப்ப எங்களோட பேரண்ட் ஸ்டாக் வந்து 350 கிராம் இருக்கு. பேரண்ட் ஸ்டாக் வந்து 350 கிராம் இருக்கு இப்போ.
Really good.
எஸ் சார். கமர்ஷியல் வெயிட் வந்து இப்போ 220 கொடுத்துட்டு இருக்கிறோம். பிரைஸ் வந்து 32 rupees இருக்கு. 32 rupees இப்போ ஃபார்ம் பிரைஸ் வச்சிருக்காங்க. சப்ளை வந்து 34, 35 டிபெண்ட் அப்பான் கிலோமீட்டர் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் பொறுத்து நாங்க பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். நாங்க வந்து இன்டெகிரேஷன் தான் பண்றோம். இன்டெகிரேஷன் பைபேக் பிராய்லர்ஸ் பண்ற மாதிரி கமர்ஷியல் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். இப்போ டர்க்கி வந்து பிளானிங்ல இருக்கிறோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து டர்க்கி பிளானிங்ல இருக்கிற பண்ணலாம் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு ஐடியா இருக்கு. பிரைஸ்ல வந்து டிஃபிகல்ட் வந்து மெயின் அந்த கோல்ட் காலரா மைக்ரோபிளாஸ்மா இஷ்யூ எங்களுக்கு ஒரு இதா சேலஞ்சா இருக்கு. லாஸ்ட் ஒரு 3-4 years வெரி சேலஞ்சா இருக்கு. அதே மாதிரி வந்து சேல்ஸ் வந்து இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆயிருக்கு. எவ்ரி இயர் வந்து கன்சப்ஷன் வந்து அதிகமாகுது, நுகர்வு அதிகமாயிட்டு இருக்கு. பட் அது சம் ஏரியாவில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கர்நாடகாவில சம் ஃபாரஸ்ட் இஷ்யூஸ் இருக்கு. லாஸ்ட் ஒரு 20 days பேக் சிக்மங்களூர்ல ஒரு 1 day வெஹிக்கிள நிறுத்தி ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. அப்புறம் நாங்க பேப்பர்ஸ் எல்லாம் கொடுத்தாங்க. கணேஷ் சார் ஒரு பேப்பரை பிரசன்ட் பண்ணாங்க. இந்த மாதிரி இஷ்யூஸ் எங்க இருக்கு. பேப்பர்ஸ் ஆல் பேப்பர்ஸ் இருக்குங்க, பட் இருந்தாலும் அங்கங்க அந்த இஷ்யூஸ் இருந்துட்டு இருக்கு. பட் ஒன்லி கர்நாடகாவில தான் அந்த இஷ்யூ இருக்கு. மற்ற ஸ்டேட்ல ஒன்றும் ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லை. கேரளாவில் ஒன்றும் ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லை. தமிழ்நாட்டில் இல்லை. ஒன்லி கர்நாடகா மட்டும் இருக்கு ப்ராப்ளம். இல்லை ஒன்றும் நோ ப்ராப்ளம். பட் பிஸ்னஸ் இப்போ ஸ்டில் நோ நல்லா போயிட்டு இருக்கு. கினிபோல் கொஞ்சம் வச்சிருக்கோம். இந்த ஸ்மால் ஃபேன்சிக்காக போகுது. மீட் பர்பஸா போகல. ஒன்லி ஃபேன்சியா தான் கினியா போல் போயிட்டு இருக்கு. மீட் பர்பஸா போலங்க சார். டர்க்கி பிளானிங் இருக்கு. சிபிடிஓனுடைய கினி போல் தான் நாங்க வச்சிருக்கோம். கோயில் வந்து நந்தனம் 2ன்னு சொல்லிட்டு நந்தனத்துல தான் பண்ணோம். எங்களுக்கு சப்போர்ட் டாக்டர் பிரபாகர் சார் டெக்னிக்கல் சப்போர்ட் போயிட்டு இருக்கு. நல்லபடியா பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். பட் இன்னும் ஃபியூச்சர்ல வந்து கோயில்ஸ் வந்து நல்லா ப்ரொமோட் பண்ணணும்னு நினைச்சிட்டு இருக்கோம். அதுல நிறைய சில சேலஞ்ச் எல்லாம் இருக்கு, போயிட்டு இருக்கு. டர்க்கி பண்ணலான்ட்டு இருக்கோம். அதுக்கு உங்களுடைய சிபிடிஓனுடைய சப்போர்ட் எங்களுக்கு தேவைப்படுது. நாங்க வந்து வெறும் மணிக்காக மட்டும் பிசினஸ் பண்ணாத, நாங்க வந்து கோயில லவ் பண்றோம். கோயில் வந்து எங்களுக்கு ஒரு வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். நாங்க ஒரு பிராய்லர்ல போயிருந்தா இன்னைக்கு எங்களுடைய பிசினஸ் டேர்ன் எங்க இருக்கும். பட் நாங்க இதை வந்து கோயில் ஒரு டிஃப்ரெண்டா பண்ணணும். நம்ம பிரீட் இந்தியன் பிரீட் எல்லாம் இருக்கணும், டர்க்கி இருக்கணும், கினி இருக்கணும் அப்படிங்கிறதுல இருக்கும். பிராய்லர் இப்போ பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம், ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிருக்கோம். பிராய்லர் இப்போ ஸ்லோவா ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். ஃபீட் சேல்ஸ் இருக்கிறோம் பெர் மந்த். ஒயிட் பிராய்லர், ஒயிட் லேயர் எல்லாம் ஃபீடு ஓன் கன்சப்ஷனுக்காக. எங்களுடைய ஃபீடு கன்சப்ஷன் பாத்தீங்கன்னா 500 கிராம்ல 220 கிராம் எடுக்கிறோம்.
டர்ன்ஓவர் எத்தனை இருக்கு ராஜேஷ்?
டர்ன்ஓவர் வந்து பிராய்லர், குவைல்ஸ், கண்ட்ரி சிக்கன் இருக்கும். கண்ட்ரி சிக்கன் இருக்கும்.
மொத்தம் எஸ்ஆர்எஸ் குரூப் எத்தனை பணம்?
எஸ்ஆர்எஸ் டோட்டல் அவர் கன்சர்ன் வந்து 100 crore இருக்கும். 100 crore இருக்கும்.
Very
both
now let me explain.
Two concern. Sir,
I'll explain in English.
Okay.
What you said, I'll explain in English.
Okay,
so,
sir.
Participants, what Mr. Rajesh told, as I was telling, Satish, Suresh, Rajesh and Satish, they are the brothers, started SRS group, and they started with 5,000 coils, and today they are marketing 10 lakh coils in a month. So that means 1.2 crore coils in a year. Can you imagine? We are only talking about chicken. They have reached the numbers of crores in coils. And they are telling that now Rajesh informed me their breeding stock is 350 gram body weight. And their commercial stocks are 220 gram body weight. And they're marketing at 32 rupees the production cost. And they are selling at 34 to 35 rupees. They are playing a volume game. So they are into Karnataka. They are facing problem in Karnataka. But I promise that, we will get you in touch with Karnataka director and commissioner. They are good friends of mine. And even I can introduce you to PCCF. Please come to Bangalore. We will take you to the PCCF, Principal Conservator of Forest. Is a good friend of mine in Karnataka, head of the Aranyabhavan. We will take you. We will introduce you there. Don't worry. That will take care. And then, he's briefing about the variety. What they are maintaining is Nandanam 2. That is the coil supported by Dr. Prabhakaran.
Yeah.
They are now doing integration. So that the way we are doing in broiler integration, Rajesh is briefing us. They are doing integration for the coils. It's a good move, so that it will go into the Tamil Nadu area and all other states as a model. But easy to rear. Just small space, you can have a good number of coils, as Dr. Ganeshan showed in cage farming. Now they are into guinea fowls, and he's mentioning that guinea fowls are being sold only for fancy purpose, because you sell into the breeding farm or your resorts. They are maintaining like watchdogs, as being mentioned by Ganesh. It is a fancy bird by the look and the sound. So by the look and the sound, it's a fancy bird. They are going into turkeys now. They've already entered into white broilers and white layer feed supply. So this is in nutshell what Rajesh briefed. Enna miss acha onnu miss illala.
இப்போ ஸ்டில் நோ 2011ல கேஸ் இது பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். பெங்களூர் இன்னும் கேஸ் பினிஷ் ஆகலைங்க. 2011ல என்னோட நேம்ல இன்னும் கேஸ் போயிட்டு இருக்கு, பினிஷ் ஆகல. பட் அது ஒரு ப்ளஸ் தான். நம்ம அதுக்கப்புறம் அந்த லைசன்ஸ்ல இருந்து வெளியே வந்துட்டோம். பட் ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ.
It's all struggle in life, as Vivek mentioned. Action gets out of the anxiety. You are in action, we will help you out. Thank you so much. Our gentleman from Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Bhupati Garu, all welcome to you.
Good afternoon to all.
Yeah.
Sir, my name is Laishetti Bhupati. I am from Siddipet district of Telangana. I am farming the turkey birds since last 15 years. I am getting the day-old chicks from CPDO Bangalore. Before the arrival of chicks, we will prepare the brooding room with whitewashing and Corsolan liquid spraying, lighting arrangements, etc. After reaching the chicks, we will give brooding for 6 weeks, 4 to 6 weeks. In summer season, 4 weeks, winter season, 6 weeks. At the time of brooding, we will give milk and boiled eggs, starter feed, pre-starter feed, and after 2 weeks we will start starter feed. Before 2 weeks, pre-starter feed. After 2 months, we will give the broiler feed. The turkey birds will become after 4 to 5 weeks, the male bird will become 7 to 8 kg. Female bird will become 5 to 6 kg. Thus, the pair body weight will become 12 kg. We will start the selling after 5 months age, 20 weeks. After 20 weeks, we will start the selling of live birds at the rate of 250 rupees per kg live bird. Thus, we will get 9 to 10 lakhs yearly. The expenditure will become 1,500 per pair. We will get profit 1,500 per pair profit after deducting the expenditure. The net profit is yearly 9 lakhs approximately. If we get the mortality, high mortality, we will the profit will become 7 to 8 lakhs.
What is your batch size, Bhupati Garu?
Sir.
Batch size.
Batch size, we will get for 400 chicks in three times in a year. 4 into 3, 1200. Nearly 1200 to 1500. We will farm the chicks in birds. In December month, we will complete the sales, and January, February, we will kept the farm empty and clean the farm. We are having 1 acre 10 guntas of land, in which we have established the farm 3000 SFT, 3000 square feet. 3000 square feet. The height of the shed is 7 feet in border and center 9 feet. The 1 acre guntas land is fenced with cement poles and link chain, aluminum link chain. The birds will go out early morning in daytime. In daytime, the birds will outside, and after the shed will for night shelter only. The chicks vitamins and calcium liquid, milk, boiled eggs will give the chicks at the for brooding stage. First week we will give Lasota drops, eye drops, and second week Gambora eye drops. Then fourth week Folfox. The wholesale and retailers will come from Hyderabad, and they will get the live birds from our farm. At any time, if some birds get the illness, they will separate. They will kept in separate room, and they will be give the antibiotic and Vimeral syrup, etc. as per the local veterinary doctor suggestions. The turkey meat is high protein and low cholesterol and tasty. In the month of December, we will finish the sale of the live birds.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి. మీరు ఇప్పుడు తెలుగులో చెప్పండి, పర్లేదు. మీకు ఈ సందేశం ఏమి? వాట్ ఈస్ ద సందేశం ఫర్ ది నెక్స్ట్ ఎంటర్ప్రినర్స్? మీ సందేశం ఏమి? ఏం చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నాను? టర్కీ మంచి బిజినెసా? టర్కీ మీకు వేరే వాళ్ళకి వచ్చేదానికి అవసరం ఉంటుందా? టర్కీ బాగా పెరుగుతుందా? చెప్పండి. టర్కీ బిజినెస్ ముందు
టర్కీ బిజినెస్ బాగానే ఉంటది. కాకపోతే అంటే కొద్దిగా మేనేజ్మెంట్ బాగుంటే, మేనేజ్మెంట్ బాగుండాలి, కొద్దిగా కేర్ తీసుకోవాలి. తర్వాత ఏంటంటే కొద్దిగా 1-2 అట్లా బర్డ్స్ కొద్దిగా సిక్ అయినా అంటే ఇమ్మీడియట్ గా మనం రియాక్ట్ కావాలి. ఇమ్మీడియట్ గా ఆ లోకల్ వెటర్నరీ డాక్టర్ చూపించి దానికి ట్రీట్మెంట్ ఇప్పించడం. ఒకవేళ లేకుంటే ఎప్పుడు ఏమేమి డిసీజ్ వస్తే ఏం మెడిసిన్ వేసాం అది కొద్దిగా గుర్తుకుంచుకొని, ఆ మెడిసిన్స్ కూడా రెడీ ఉంచుకొని ఇమ్మీడియట్ గా మెడిసిన్ ఇస్తే కొద్దిగా మోర్టాలిటీ తగ్గుతుంది సార్. అయితే మోర్టాలిటీ మనం ఎంత తగ్గించగలిగితే అంత మనకు ప్రాఫిట్ అనేది తగ్గది. ఒకవేళ మోర్టాలిటీ మనకు పెరిగినట్టుంటే ఆటోమేటిక్ గా మనకు ప్రాఫిట్ తగ్గుతుంది. ఒకటి ఏంటంటే నేను గుర్తించింది ఈ టర్కీ ఫార్మింగ్ లో ఎట్టి పరిస్థితుల్లో లాస్ అనేది ఉండదు సార్. నేను 15-16 years నుంచి టర్కీ ఫార్మింగ్ చేస్తున్నా, ఎప్పుడు కూడా లాస్ అనేది జరగలేదు. కాకపోతే అంటే ఒకవేళ ఈ మోర్టాలిటీ ఎక్కువై ప్రాఫిట్ తగ్గింది తప్ప, ఒకవేళ ఒకసారి మరీ హై మోర్టాలిటీ అయినప్పుడు ప్రాఫిట్ అనేది ఏం లేకుండా పోయింది అంతే తప్ప లాస్ అనేది ఎప్పుడు కాలేదు. కాకపోతే కొత్తగా ఎవరైనా స్టార్ట్ చేసేకునే వాళ్ళకు బాగానే ఉంటుంది. కాకపోతే అంటే కొద్దిగా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ తీసుకోవాలి, ఇంట్రెస్ట్ పని చేసుకోవాలి. ఏమైనా బర్డ్స్ సిక్ అయితే
ఇంట్లో ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు? ఇంట్లో ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు?
మా ఇంట్లో మా బ్రదర్ ఎక్కువ అక్కడ షెడ్ దగ్గరనే ఉంటారు సార్. షెడ్కు దగ్గరలోనే ఇల్లు ఉన్నది. మా బ్రదర్ ఎక్కువ చూసుకుంటాడు ఆయన. మా బ్రదరు, నేను, అదే మా బ్రదర్ వాళ్ళ వైఫ్, మా వైఫ్ నలుగురం ఉంటాము. అదే మా బ్రదర్ కూడా ఎక్కువ కేర్ తీసుకుంటాడు.
మీరు టర్కీలో ఎందుకు వచ్చారు
సార్?
మీరు టర్కీకి ఎందుకు వచ్చారు బిజినెస్ లో?
టర్కీలోకి నేను రావడానికి కారణం ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ మన హైదరాబాద్ లో ఇక్కడ రోడ్ సైడ్ ఇట్లా అమ్ముతుంటే ఒకసారి అంటే నేను న్యూస్ పేపర్లో చూసి చదివి అది బాగానే ఉంటుండొచ్చు అనుకుని ఆలోచించిన. ఒకసారి రోడ్ సైడ్ ఇక్కడ కనబడితే తీసుకుపోయి ఒక చిన్న రూమ్ లా వేసి పెంచినాము. వేస్తే అది మాకు హైదరాబాద్ దగ్గరనే ఉంటుంది. 50 kilometers 60 kilometers 50 kilometers దూరంలో ఉంటుంది హైదరాబాద్. కాబట్టి మాకు హోల్సేలర్స్ వాళ్ళకు పోయి చెప్పగానే ఇట్లా వచ్చి తీసుకెళ్ళిండ్రు. తర్వాత మేము చిక్స్ మా ఇక్కడ హైదరాబాద్ రాజేంద్ర నగర్ నుంచి తీసుకొచ్చినాము. అక్కడ వాళ్ళు సఫిషియంట్ ఇవ్వకపోదురు. ఎప్పుడు ఇచ్చినా 20-30 అట్లా చిక్స్ ఇస్తారు. అవి మాకు సరిపోకుండా వాళ్ళని అడిగినాం, మరి మాకు ఎక్కువ చిక్స్ కావాలంటే ఎక్కడ దొరుకుతాయి అంటే సిపిడిఓ బెంగళూరు అని అడ్రస్ చెప్పిండ్రు. అక్కడ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేసి సిపిడిఓ బెంగళూరు నుంచి రెగ్యులర్ గా తీసుకుంటున్నాము. కాకపోతే అంటే ఇప్పుడు కరోనా కాబట్టి మీరు కొద్దిగా చిక్స్ కొద్దిగా అది ఇప్పుడు ప్రొడక్షన్ మీరు బంద్ చేసి కాబట్టి మాకు కూడా ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది. ఇంతకుముందు 3-4 years క్రితం బర్డ్ ఫ్లూ వచ్చినప్పుడు కూడా మీరు చిక్స్ ప్రొడక్షన్ బంద్ చేసి మాకు కొద్దిగా ప్రాబ్లం అయింది. మీరు రెగ్యులర్ గా చిక్స్ ఇస్తే మాకు మంచి ప్రాఫిట్ తోటి నడుస్తుంటాం సార్ మా ఫామ్. ఎవరైనా పెట్టుకుంటే బాగానే ఉంటది. కాకపోతే ఇంట్రెస్ట్ మాత్రం కంపల్సరీ తీసుకోవాలి. ఎవరో లేబర్ మీద వదిలేసి ఎక్కడో పోయి ఏమో చేస్తే మాత్రం అది లాస్ అయ్యే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది.
అదే సరైన మెసేజ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి. ఇప్పుడు ఇంగ్లీష్ లో చెప్తాను. I'll explain in English now. See, it is impressed. I'm really impressed by the story of Mr. Bhupati, who says, his inspiration was on the road. When they were walking in Hyderabad, they saw 2 turkey birds They said, why can't we rear? Then they started taking from Rajendra Nagar and they started rearing in the village. And then Hyderabad people used to come and pick turkeys like, hot cakes in the December. So what he said is he started 15 years back with, journey, and now their brothers and their family, 4 people are working very, very hard. And do you know what is the income per month? 1 lakh rupees. He said
Right.
just maintaining 1,200 birds, they're able to reach 10 lakhs a year. This is a make in India for all unemployed youth. So please understand, Mr. Bhupati is your hero. That he showed you such a beautiful idea. See, what he says is they are selling at 250 rupees per kilo in the market all through the year, except January, February. They are cleaning up and preparing for the next year, and their production cost per pair is 1,500 rupees. Just 1,500 rupees average, because if you see the male attains around 7 to 8 kilos, female maybe around 4 to 5 kilos when they are selling, and their net outcome, that is profit, is 1,500 per pair. 100% profit. ये कोई बिजनेस है ऐसा आपको देने वाला दुनिया में नहीं मिलेगा. So ये सोच लीजिए ना, such a wonderful work by 2 families. Bhupati's wife and brother's wife both are in the farm. His message is very, very clear. If you have a passion, as Vivek mentioned, turkey or any other species will take care of your life. 15 years they have been doing this business in a great way, and hats off to their family, and it's an inspiration for all of you. And they have some qualms, that means complaints, that whenever CPDO stops supply, because that corona time we have to go under the radar, and during avian bird flu they were affected. That is going to happen, but we will create a help. We are there, and we want to create many more Bhupatis, many more Rajesh, many more Viveks on the ground. So thank you so much, Bhupati Garu, having joined. All the best.
One more, sir.
Yeah,
my farm, regarding my farm, I have in local newspaper. The matter is printed in local media paper, local 9 and local TV9 and the TV also. I am giving the background, sir. The 10 TV program recently released by the 10 TV Telangana, sir.
చాలా బాగుంది. టర్కీ కోళ్ల పెంపకం షెడ్లు విస్తీర్ణం 330 square foot. Very good.
Yes, sir.
And he's just doing in 1 acre. 1 acre, 10 kunta, 3,000 square foot is the only thing. See, 3,000 square foot, you can make 1 lakh a month. So this is the challenge for all the entrepreneurs. Please take up such new ideas and work hard and sincerity. He said that you should work in your farm.
ఇక్కడ లోకల్ ఈనాడు పేపర్ లో లోకల్ టీవీ ఛానల్ లో కూడా వచ్చింది సార్ మా షెడ్ గురించి, మా మ్యాటర్ గురించి. అది కూడా నేను ఇప్పుడు మీకు చూపిస్తున్నాను సార్.
He is appreciating that local channels are being streaming their activities of their success, and he is an inspiration in the Telangana area. So you are which place, and you belong to which place now?
Siddipet district, Telangana state, sir.
Siddipet district, Telangana district. So those who are nearby can visit him.
Yeah, sir. నేను నాకు తెలిసింది ఏంటంటే చాలా మంది స్టార్ట్ చేసి ఒక్కొక్క బ్యాచ్ 2 బ్యాచ్లు వేసిన. ఇప్పుడు మా దగ్గర తెలుసుకొని చాలా మంది ఒక బ్యాచ్ 2 బ్యాచ్లు వేసినారు. కాకపోతే అంటే వాళ్ళ ఇంట్లో కానీ వాళ్ళు కానీ కేర్ తీసుకున్న వాళ్ళు లేక ఇన్ టైంలో అది ఫీడ్ వాటర్ అది ఇవ్వడము, లేకుంటే ఇవి బ్రూడింగ్ స్టేజ్ లో దానికి సఫిషియంట్ బ్రూడింగ్ ఇవ్వడం అటువంటివి చేయక కొద్దిగా లాస్ అయ్యి వాళ్ళు 1-2 బ్యాచ్లు వేసేసి పనిచేసిండ్రు. వాళ్ళకి కొద్దిగా తగిన సలహాలు ఇచ్చినా కూడా వాళ్ళకి వేరే బిజినెస్ లో అవి ఉండి కూడా కొద్దిగా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ తీసుకోక కొంతమంది ఇచ్చేసారు సార్. మేమైతే అది మాకు ఇంటికి దగ్గర ఉంది ఫామ్ కాబట్టి ఇక బాగా శ్రద్ధ తీసుకొని 15-16 years నుంచి అది కంటిన్యూ చేస్తున్నాం సార్. ఇప్పుడు మా తెలంగాణ స్టేట్ లో కంటిన్యూగా ఈ టర్కీ ఫార్మింగ్ చేసే వాళ్ళం బహుశా మాకు తెలిసినంత మేమే అనుకుంటాం.
You may be number 1. See, what he says is many people started their business and they just did 1 or 2 batches because they believed in labors. But he says that labor farming should not be done. Ownership farming. You should sit in the farm. You should sleep in the farm. Your farm should be temple. So you should do a service for your temple. God will always bless you. I think everybody will agree. Thank you so much, Bhupati Garu.
Allow me to talk to him for a minute.
Yeah, please.
Sir, Mr. Bhupati, my salute to you.
Yeah,
I
tell me.
don't get impressed with money and property. I get impressed with people like you who are committed and dedicated. And I offer you my services as and when you require it. I happen to have some experience in this field. One suggestion, sir, in the beginning, why get too technical? Give them high protein diet, 28%, and forget about all those milk powder and all that. But of course, doctor would tell you better. But I want to simplify and start your stock in summers so you don't have heavy mortality. And rest, you are the boss. All my good wishes to you.
He's a purely Adivasi. Maharashtra is populated. Some districts are purely populated with Adivasi, and Palghar is one among them. And the taluka is Dahanu. And he started. Shamsundar Chaudhary has started his quail farm in the year 2005 itself, and people call him as Lahori Wala because he's very popular in 3 to 4 districts. And he purchased one small vehicle that I have shown, not able to show actually, one vehicle, and through that vehicle he takes chicks from us, and also now he's taking from Venkis also, and rearing at his farm and selling to all those retail shops and dhabas, roadside dhaba, and still continuing 15 years with successful venture in quail farming.
हाँ सर नमस्कार। बोला आज अच्छे तरफ से मेरा मतलब बटेर फार्म आज केंद्रीय कुक्कुट विकर्षण संगठन के हिसाब से बहुत अच्छे तरफ से चल रहा है। मैं 100 पीस बटेर के चालू किया था 100 बटेर से, और आज मेरे पास 6000 7000 8000 पीस हमेशा रहते हैं।
बोलिए।
हाँ जी सर, और अच्छे तरफ से आज कम से कम नहीं बोलेगा तो महीने का 25,000 30,000 40,000 रुपए मैं कमा लेता हूँ। और दूसरी बात है, जब मैं ये चालू किया था बटेर फार्म, तभी मैं साइकिल के ऊपर से ये बटेर डिलीवरी करता था, उसके बाद मोटरसाइकिल से हो गया। आज मेरे पास 3 व्हीलर के बाद 4 व्हीलर 2 गाड़ी है, एक सुप्रो है, एक मैक्सिम है, और मैं आज हर जगह पे जो हाईवे पे ढाबे है, होटल है, चिकन्स है, वहाँ हर रोज मतलब हफ्ते में 2 बार डिलीवरी देके सब लोगों को मतलब बटेर का ये बता देता हूँ कि ऐसा बटेर में ऐसी चीज है, ये चीज है, और सब अच्छी तरफ से आज बटेर का मतलब उत्पादन चल रहा है अच्छा, और लोगों को भी अच्छा पसंद लग रही है। चिकन और मटन को कुछ भी और कुछ है तो एक बटेर और कुछ चीज ऐसी है।
बटेर पालन के बारे में थोड़ा बताइए। बटेर पालन के बारे में।
मैं बटेर 100 पीस से स्टार्ट किया था सर 2005 में, और आज मैं 6-7 हजार बटेर मेरे पास आज की तारीख में है, और आज केंद्रीय कुक्कुट विकास संगठन ने मेरे को बहुत जो मदद की, और आज उनको से मैं उनका धन्यवाद देता हूँ कि आज आभारी भी हूँ, उन्होंने आज मेरे को सब कुछ मतलब मेरे पैर पे खड़ा रहने का सब काम कर दिया है।
बहुत धन्यवाद। बहुत इतना खुशी होता है ना। क्यों आपने बटेर चुना? बटेर क्यों चुना आपने?
सर कैसा मालिक है, 2005 में बर्ड फ्लू आया था, और बर्ड फ्लू के वजह से हर जगह पे मुर्गी और ये सब का, लेकिन कोई दूसरी चीज कोई खा नहीं रहा था। तो मैंने सोच लिया कि गाउठी और अपने ये बॉयलर्स के अलावा और कुछ मैं करूं। इसके लिए मैं वो 2005 में बटेर की चुनौती कर दी, और 100 बटर से मैंने स्टार्ट किया था सर।
वंडरफुल। अभी कितना पैसा मिलता है आपको एक बटेर में?
अच्छा सर, मेरे को ऐसा अभी आज का ऐसी कंडीशन है कि 2005 में जो फीड की वैल्यू थी वो 3.5 रुपए किलो से लेके 5 रुपए किलो थी, लेकिन आज जो फीड का रेट है वो टाइम पे जो मतलब बटेर का रेट था वो 16 से 18 रुपए था, और आज फीड इतना महंगा हो गया है कि 34 रुपए 36 रुपए 38 रुपए रेट होता है। इसके लिए फीड का रेट की वजह से बटेर का भी रेट बढ़ गया। आज मेरे यहाँ हम लोग मेरे यहाँ घर से हम लोग 60 रुपए से बेच रहे, और होटल में 55-60 रुपए के हिसाब से जा रहे ऐसा, और होटल वाले 150 रुपए से बना के बेचते सर।
So nice of you. Dr. Swain, you want to translate? You want to translate in English? You can tell.
I got it everything, sir.
No, Swain, you can translate in English and tell.
Yes, sir. You can translate it. I can. Everybody understand, I think.
Good. So it's a
My
very
super salute to you, sir.
Chaudhary ji.
Sir, any technical queries we can ask and we can learn from him because he is very practically doing 15 years.
One thing, Mahesh sir, one thing I want to share here. Shyam Sundar ji, namaskar.
नमस्कार बांगर सर, नमस्कार।
Dr. Ganesh and Dr. Banger, Ganesh and myself, we started the health this person to start this business
Very
during
good.
2005. I personally visited his home and farm, met all the Adivasi people. We conducted almost 6 or 7 training programs on quail farming. It's great. I think Anna, such kind of people I'm seeing, and I'm very grateful to you, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much. Really great.
Thank you, sir.
श्याम सुंदर जी, आपका मैसेज क्या है? आपका जैसा बटर फार्म कितना खुलवाना चाहता है आपका
सर,
आजू बाजू में?
सर अभी यहाँ तो बटर पंप है 2-4 ऐसे, लेकिन कैसा माला का जैसे इसको मेरे मार्केट चाहिए था, मार्केट अभी तक उतनी जैसा अवेलेबल नहीं हो रही। वो अगर अवेलेबल हो गए, क्योंकि क्या आज बटर अगर कुछ बेचने को जाएगा तो 160-200 ग्राम का बटर होता है, और वही चिकन अपन लेके तो आप 160 रुपया 140 रुपए केजी से आ रहा है। तो इसके लोगों को उतना पता नहीं चल रही है। अगर इसकी मार्केटिंग केंद्रीय कुक्कुट विकास संगठन ने अच्छी तरफ से की तो बहुत कुछ आगे बहुत मार्केट बढ़ सकता है सर।
हम तो आपको सहायता देंगे। आप कोई आइडिया क्या क्या मार्केटिंग में आप पैकिंग करके ब्रांडिंग करके करने का?
नहीं सर, मेरा यही कहना है कि ब्रांडेड नहीं, क्वांटिटी के ऊपर माल चलना चाहिए, क्योंकि जो इतने भी होटल वाले हैं आज 180 से लेके 220 ग्राम के बीच में अगर आपका अगर बटर है तो हमेशा वो 2 रुपया ज्यादा लेके ही खरीदते। लेकिन अगर सीजन अगर आपका अब ये टाइम पे आया तो बटर बढ़ते नहीं, तो लोगों में कैसा 150-160 ग्राम के बटर फिर मार्केट में जाते, तो उसका क्वांटिटी भी कम हो जाता है और क्वालिटी में लो हो जाता है।
मेरा सलाह चौधरी जी, आपको जैसा
हाँ जी सर।
लोरी वाला बोलता है ना,
हाँ जी,
आपको लोरी वाला बोलता है, वही ब्रांड से एक पैकेट बनाइए। जैसा
हाँ
ढाबा
जी, हाँ जी
वाला है, आपको लोरी वाला ब्रांड
हाँ
बहुत
जी सर।
चलेगा। अभी
हाँ
विवेक
जी,
जी
हाँ जी।
सुन रहे हैं, विवेक जी दिल्ली में मार्केट करेगा।
Sure, sir.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
Sure,
हाँ
sure.
जी,
आपका प्रोडक्ट को कोयल को लोरी वाला बना के
Yeah.
एक स्मॉल पैकेट बनाने से महंगा
हाँ जी।
100 रुपीज रखिए, 100 रुपीज फॉर 200 ग्राम बिकेगा।
Yes.
ठीक है सर। ओके
वो
सर,
आपको
ओके
क्या है ना,
सर।
लोगों को नीच होने का तरीका आपको
हाँ
विवेक
जी,
जी ने, वो आप देखिए ना दिल्ली में नमस्कार कर रहे हैं,
It would
वो
be my
आपको
हाँ जी, हाँ
pleasure.
जी,
My
हाँ जी।
big salute to you, sir. Yeah,
ठीक है सर।
ये
my
हमारा
big salute to
हमारा
you.
मैसेज ले लीजिए। आप लोरी
हाँ
वाला
जी,
बनिए, लोरी वाला
हाँ जी।
ब्रांड बना के बटेर भेजिए। जो
ठीक है
भी
सर, ठीक है।
कार में आएगा ना, कार में आके लेके जाएगा आपके पास। उसके लिए हमारा
ठीक है।
स्वयं बहुत अच्छा सलाह देगा। स्मॉल
अच्छा,
पैकिंग रख सकते हैं, प्रोसेसिंग करिए, फ्रेश भेजिए, चिल्ड नहीं,
हाँ,
फ्रेश भेजिए। मगर
फ्रेश।
आइडेंटिटी स्टैम्प
ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है
स्टैम्प
सर।
बनाइए। आप इतना एनर्जी दिखा रहे हैं, आप बहुत खुश हो गए हम। आपका घर में
ठीक है
कितना
सर।
लोग है?
सर मेरी 2 बच्ची है और मैं और वाइफ है सर।
सारा इसमें
हाँ,
जुड़े हैं?
हाँ सर, एक मेरी बच्ची है वो LLB कर रही है और दूसरी 11वीं में है। वो भी मेरी सहायक कर रही है और 2 आदमी मेरे काम कर रहे हैं सर।
सर मैं आपकी सर्विस के लिए हमेशा तैयार हूँ।
ठीक है सर, ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू
थैंक
सो
यू।
मच। थैंक यू चौधरी जी।
ओके सर,
आप लोरी वाला
ओके सर,
ब्रांड
थैंक
से बटेर का ब्रांड बनाने स्वयं टेक अप द
ठीक है,
इनिशिएटिव, ब्रांड
Bye.
देम,
Thank
कैन
you.
गिव देम हेल्प। सो
Well,
एनी
brand.
ठीक है,
कंक्लूसिव
ठीक
कमेंट्स? वी आर
ठीक है
इन
सर।
टाइम। थैंक यू,
ओके
नमस्कार,
सर,
बहुत बहुत
थैंक यू,
धन्यवाद।
थैंक
एनी
यू।
कमेंट्स फ्रॉम स्वयं? Ganeshan?
Yes, sir. I think one thing regarding coils, as concerned today, we are trying to give the about coils. This 1974 he introduced the coils. Still, it's up and downs. Only marketing, as compared to the chicken, this is no well-established market. Is not. That's why people could not be able to enter in the market.
Now, I would feel you should go for branding.
Yeah, branding. Yes, as you are rightly pointed out, sir. People should think हट के सोचो, बस ये बोलते हैं ना, traditional way it's not possible. We should go for the out of way. We should think over here. We should make for the marketing. We are the right person to promote the people for the wild farm.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
I think, thank you so much for the energy shown by Vivek, Rajesh, Bhupati Garu, and finally Lohri wala or Chaudhary ji. Lohri wala Chaudhary ji to bahut kuch ho gaya. You are the leaders. You are the future. So aapka jaisa, we want to make hundreds of Vivek, hundreds of Rajesh, hundreds of Bhupati, hundreds of Shyam Sundar. So this country will definitely benefit from that. India will feel proud that you are the real make in India. So thank you so much for all the panelists. Now I'll hand over to Basha ji for a formal vote of thanks.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So at the outset, I would like to thank Dr. Abhijit Kumar, my old colleague, and a good friend who gave a very good presentation on ducks. And I would like to thank Dr. Sonali Nanda. And also I would like to thank Dr. Ganeshan sir from Chandigarh. And also I would like to thank Dr. Satyanarayan Swayan sir from Mumbai. And I would like to thank all the entrepreneurs who have joined with us, Mr. Vivek Kushwaha, Mr. P. Rajesh Kumar, Mr. Lagishetty Bhupati, and Mr. Shyam Sundar Chaudhary for joining us and giving us their experiences and very good information, which will be beneficial for all the participants and aspiring entrepreneurs. Thank you very much. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you,
sir.
please
Thank you
write
very
to
much.
us, to CPDO TI training at gmail.com. If any questions are there, audience watching in YouTube, audience watching in Zoom, please write to us. We will share the questions to any panelist here. Thank you very much.
How can we get the recording of this?
CPDO TI training at gmail.com. Thank you, Vivek ji. Thank you, Rajesh. Thank you, Bhupati. Thank you, Shyam Sundar. Thank you, Ganesh.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Namaste. Jai Hind. All the best.